Hello everyone, it's Skillet Social. Today I'm going to talk about ways to make money online and why it is important. Making money online has become an increasingly popular option for people with limited time and resources. It offers a wide range of opportunities, from easy side hustles to full-time positions. In this video, I'll discuss some of the best ways to make money online. 1. Freelance work. If you have a skill, you can use it to make money online. There are a number of online platforms where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can work on a variety of tasks, from writing and editing to graphic design and data entry. 2. Sell your stuff. If you have old items that you don't need anymore, you can sell them online. eBay and Craigslist are popular platforms for selling used items. You can also create an online store and sell your own products. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. You promote other people's products and services and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase. You can join an affiliate network and get access to thousands of products. 4. Online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback from their customers, and they are willing to pay for it. You can make money by taking online surveys and providing your honest opinion. Making money online is important because it gives you the freedom to work from home and take control of your financial future. You can make money on your own terms, set your own hours, and have more control over your life. With some creativity and hard work, you can make a living online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe.